What's up? How are you all doing? So, I know I changed my channel name to Square Body Shelly, but I'm always gonna be scattered at. Always gonna be scattered at. So, this video here is gonna be an update. Nothing here to update on this Jeep. Nothing here to update on this truck other than it's just a badass truck. That truck, turbos are gone, gonzo. Let's walk over here. I know I mentioned some stuff about the Jeep earlier, but I don't think I showed it to you. So I don't think I made a video on this. I put it on Facebook, like YouTube short or something. But for those of you who haven't seen, basically I broke this little track bar here. So a lot of people are talking about these track bars. This is really your track bar here. You need this. If you have springs, you need this. I do not see how people drive without this. They're claiming they're driving without a track bar. This here's your track bar. I don't know what those are called. I think those are called like your trailing arms. I don't know. Don't even try to say I'm dumb or something, because I'm telling you right now, I have no idea. So this is your stabilizer right here. And this is bad. I mean, it's horrible. But this, see, watch this. I'm gonna stick my foot up over here and kind of give it a little lift in the suspension. But look at that. That's not supposed to do that. So this piece was starting to crack. I had my buddy weld this piece on. You see that held up really good, but he was only able to weld this and this, so it's starting to crack right there. We weren't able to weld this third side on, but I need to take this off. I need to get a new piece. I'm gonna buy a new piece. We're gonna get a new piece and we're going to fix that, because I need that for when I'm plowing snow. So that needs to be fixed. This turbo needs to be fixed. It's going to my mechanic tomorrow. I'm gonna start driving this bad boy daily, because this thing, I think it's fixed and I won't be towed any longer with that. You never know. This CTSV back up for sale officially. If you want it, come buy it. Nothing wrong with it. Great car. Update on the paint here. I think I'm gonna sand this a little. Oh, excuse me, got some burps. I'm gonna sand it a little bit more. So I've noticed there are some Bondo pieces here. So we're gonna try to sand that, and we're going to, I think we're maybe need to get a little bit more Bondo. I'm gonna sand the tailgate. I'm gonna get the whole roof sanded. In fact, I started. So I got, let's see, I can extend you up there. So anyways, I got half of the roof sanded. I got most of this entire side sanded. So I need to finish the back. I need to finish some of these little spots around the door, up here, this door frame. I didn't get any of that. Got this. We're gonna, hey kitty, my hot wife. We're gonna sand this, but same thing. I got, this is where the old paint was. I don't know how far to take this down. It's smooth, but oh, one thing here I can't see. Hopefully you guys can see this, but I got some spots here and here that have been Bondoed. Now they've been Bondoed enough. Look at this, the paint's so thick right here. I think I'm gonna blend that. It's so thick. I don't know, I might just sand it down. If I got enough time, I'm gonna just sand it down. I'm not gonna paint it this month like I thought, because I gotta paint, or I don't gotta paint, I gotta fix the turbo in the other truck. So next month, we're gonna paint this son of a bee. But up here on the hood, or on the roof, there's some little spots up there that need some, you know, that had some Bondo work done to it, and sanding some of that. I've created a little spot. So we're gonna end up doing some Bondo work. But in reality, there's not a lot of Bondo work. There's a bigger dent up there on the hood. I'm not gonna worry about fixing that right now. There's not a lot of rust. So as far as rust spots go, we're sitting pretty clean. I mean, inside the doors, bottom of it, it's dark, you can't tell. But normal spots where some of these vehicles have a lot of major rust, this thing is sitting pretty good, if I do say so myself. But I'm not an expert bodywork person. Now, I've done some work with Bondo. I used to work with my dad. We built patterns out of wood for concrete. So like you see some of this concrete decorative trim around buildings that look like, you know, molding at the top of a cabinet. We used to do that stuff. So we had to shape the wood, and sometimes we just had to Bondo and make our own little pattern, and then we'd have to Bondo that onto a piece of wood. So we'd build the wood up in steps, and then we'd Bondo the rest. Basically, it was just a pattern for a mold, and then they made a mold, and then they poured concrete in that mold. So I've got some experience building stuff out of Bondo. So I guess I need to learn some body lines here and get this thing looking fabulous. But like I said, there's not a lot. I mean, even this door right here, I mean, this you might think, oh, there's a dent right there, but this is smooth as can be. That's smooth right there. So, you know, stuff like this, it doesn't need fixed. Stuff like that, it's already done. It's all sanded, it's all good. It's done. Previous people did some work, made some stuff happen, and now we have just got to finish it off. And then finish sanding this side of the roof. So, there's kind of, whoa. I think okay, there we go. Anyways, that's just a little update. I've been sanding, like I've been coming out here, I've been pulling it out there, I've been working, I've been sanding, and honestly, I've forgot to film. So I apologize. Go down after you get mad at me for that. Check out the links below. You know, the Amazon, Bucked Up. Follow along, subscribe. We've got more square body stuff. The Suburban is coming back soon. Oh, I can't wait for that thing. That thing is, I love that thing. Anyways, I love this thing too. I am glad I bought it. I had a guy, I mean, I've already had people offer to buy it from me. When they find out what I paid for it, they're surprised. They're like, holy crap, you got a good deal. I know I got a good deal. I feel like I got a good deal. But that's it for the video. It's just an update. I'm sorry, nothing fancy. Just me and my freaking annoying voice chatting and talking and just rambling. But that's it. Smile. Every freaking morning. You know what I've been doing every night? I've been doing push-ups. I'm getting strong. I can see here. Now I just need to get rid of the belly and do some more workouts. But we're getting there. So stay tuned. Follow along. We're gonna get some more square body stuff. Winter's coming up. I do snow removal. So my regular job, my fake day job, it's gonna slow down. And if it ain't snowing, I'm gonna need something to do. So go down, subscribe. Let's get some subscribers, because the action, if I can start pulling a little bit more money off this YouTube, the action on those things, they're gonna go up tenfold. Yeah, we might buy some more. Never know.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.